So here we are. This is an amazing cart from VEVOR. Let me show you how I put it together. It is super easy. You need almost no tools. I think the highlight for me is these casters and wheels are so high quality. They are super solid and they're made out of this like rubberized plastic, which won't leave marks anywhere. They do have locks on them, which is nice as well if you want to lock it. It rolls super easily. It is, as you could tell, it is about the size of a 50-pound fluffy dog. Well, otherwise, in my world, 2 days worth of laundry. In my wife's world, 2 weeks worth of laundry. I don't know, somehow she says I magically make like 4 outfits of laundry a day. So this will be perfect around here. I have nothing bad to say about this. This thing is so cool, so easy to put together. It is very light as well, yet super solid. I don't think you could go wrong with it. If you want it, there's gonna be a link down below in the subscription. Like, subscribe, follow, all those important things. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.